If your GFCI outlet is not resetting, it can be super frustrating and even a bit confusing, but you can usually fix it without calling an electrician. So, first off, make sure you press that reset button firmly. You gotta push it in until you feel it click. If it still won't reset, check if there's a ground fault somewhere, like water near the outlet or damaged wiring, because that trips the GFCI to keep you safe. Next, unplug everything from the outlet. Sometimes a device is causing the problem. If none of that works, try testing the outlet with a circuit tester to see if it's getting power. Also, remember that GFCI outlets can wear out over time, so if it's old or looks damaged, replacing it might be your best bet. When swapping out a GFCI outlet, always turn off the circuit breaker first. It's all about safety. If you're not comfy doing this yourself, don't hesitate to call a pro. Lastly, keep an eye on any moisture or leaks around your outlets because that's a common cause of issues. One of the biggest mistakes people make with GFCI outlets not resetting is ignoring the reset button and just trying to force it to work, which can cause more damage. Fix that by always pressing the reset button firmly and patiently. Another issue is not checking for ground faults or water damage near the outlet, which leads to repeated trips. Always inspect the area for leaks or wetness before messing with the outlet. The third problem is attempting to fix or replace a GFCI outlet without shutting off the power first. This is dangerous and can cause shocks. Make sure the breaker is off before doing anything. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right the first time. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for their services and grow their business without the hassle.